When we cover in Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Bitcoin dominance, USDT dominance, but we kind of can see the USDT dominance with a Dixie here. Bitcoin happened yesterday. I think it's just a huge fake out. There's a bit of euphoria here. I did mention 2-3 days in a row since last week as well that this is my retest zone. I've mentioned it over and over again. I've told you guys, rejection zone. Go and watch the previous videos. This is the key. 13.5, 114 key area of resistance. We went there and then we didn't break up. We sold off immediately around that level and we are now moving back down. We now need to hold the midpoint of the channel again. Okay, the midpoint of this channel is key. If we go under, we are going down to 98, which is the monthly levels that we've been discussing. It's the weekly levels that we've been discussing. And it's a level where I think we can kind of see a bit of accumulation again. But if this goes, then it's a frightening sight. We go all the way down, 25 again. We go back to where we were in March, April of this year. Okay? It means that the year will end on a red. The year will end bearish. It's a bad sign for the markets. And the key has always been interest rates dropping and the economy of the US being good and strong, interest rates dropping and the economy of the US being poor and failing because of the job market and so on. This is the coin flip, and investors are making decisions. Major banks are making decisions now by buying gold. A lot of investors are getting out of the market from what I'm seeing. A lot of big players are getting out of the market, and we have to be cautious. But this level on Bitcoin is the key. If we don't hold this, we are going down. We are in a bear market, in my opinion. We go back to this level. We have not been able to show strength, and the structures are all destroyed. Okay. So be very, very cautious here on how you are positioning yourself. I am just choosing to keep on going short. We are still taking short positions on the shorter time frames as a team, and I'm looking at swing trades on the long side. But if that doesn't come, then we will be going short on the short side. Okay, and we'll be going short on Bitcoin if it fails on the swing as well. That's it. I think I've covered in other videos some of the key points. So I don't want to dwell too much on that. For the weekly consolidation here, it's pretty much at the high of this year, early this year. So it hasn't really done much since the beginning of the year. So this is January. It was around 107. Now it's around 108. Hasn't done much the whole year. Very negative sign. The weekly looks weak. We are looking very, very weak here on the weekly and the monthly. Be cautious. Maximum caution while buying crypto at these levels. You might be getting better buys lower. Be prepared. It can go lower than you expect sometimes. It depends on what happens in the markets. This is what I'm doing. I'm basically 100% cash with crypto. I'm not holding any crypto at the moment, and I've been buying these trends since 17, 18K from the bottom. And with Ethereum this year, I've been trading it aggressively since 1.5, 1.6. Yeah, be cautious. And this is another thing with Ethereum here. If it doesn't hold 3.4, 3.5K, we are going short again. So we have to be cautious. It has to hold at least 3K. 3K is the key for alts and for that potential alt season. As you see in here, the market went up a little bit, then it came back down today. It's a red day today as well, so far in pre-market. Now with Ethereum, we'll cover the daily chart on Ethereum. For me, it's key zone 3.7, 3.6 has to hold this lower band of the channel. If it holds here and we bounce up, we then can build some momentum and potentially start November strong and move up into a run for November, December. Okay, that's it. It's very, very simple. I've given you guys my strategy in the previous videos. I've given you my strategy in my or what I'm doing with crypto in my shorts, in the reels that we've been posting on social media, so Instagram and TikTok. Make sure to go and follow there as well.